Today, I want to tell you something which many Azure or cloud professionals may still don't know. On March 2026, Anthropic, the company behind Claude AI, made a big announcement and introduced world first Claude certification exam. Now, this is not any other AI certificate which you can get by just going through some YouTube videos or some PDF files. It is a real exam. You have to really showcase your skills, your experience, your build skills. You have to build something real. It's a proctored exam. Then only you can mention yourself as a cloud expert on LinkedIn by passing this exam. So as someone who has been working as a Azure solution architect, this announcement caught my attention immediately because I strongly believe this certification could become something for AI professional what AZ305 become for the cloud architect. So in this video, I will explain everything about this certification, how to prepare for this, what exactly this certificate is, and really whom should apply for this or prepare for this exam. Also, I'm going to share the free resources so that you don't need to spend any money. So stay till the end because I'm going to share the official learning path of Anthropic to clear this exam. Before we talk about the certification, let us first understand what Anthropic is, because some people are still understand that Anthropic and OpenAI are the same company, but that is not true. You can think of this like way that if OpenAI is known for ChatGPT, Anthropic is known for Claude. Anthropic had made a whole lot of family of the Claude AI model, and Claude AI is made with the first principle of safety, reliability, and to ensure that companies can build reliable AI solutions. That is why many business and enterprise trust on Claude to build their AI first solutions. This is exactly why in March 2026, Anthropic launched its Claude Partner Network program. This program is mainly for enterprise companies and consultants who want to build AI solutions using Claude platform. Now, most well-known companies like Accenture, Cognizant, Infosys have already signed up for this program and now training their thousands of employees on this platform. Along with this announcement, Anthropic also introduced their first ever certification, Claude Certified Architect Foundation or CCA-F in short. And this is the certification we are going to discuss in this video today. So what exactly is Claude Certified Architect Foundation exam is? So in simple words, CCA-F is the first official certification program from Anthropic. And this is not meant for the people who use Claude AI for chatting or writing emails. This is meant for the architects, developers, or AI consultants who are building real AI solutions using Claude platform like enterprise solutions, tools integration, automation, AI applications with AI agents. So yes, this is not a beginner friendly exam. This is an advanced level certificate. And also it is a proctored exam with just like AWS or Azure, which means your exam is being monitored to ensure it is done fairly. By the way, I have already made a video comparing AI 103 and CCA-F on AI Catalyst channel. You may want to watch that after this video. Link is available in the description. Now let me tell you why this certificate actually caught my attention. I can recall how things were changed for me years ago when I got my first Azure certification. Clients started trusting my technical decisions more than earlier. Recruiters started reaching out me with better opportunities, and at work I was involved in more technical discussions. So I can strongly believe that this change actually because of that valid badge. And now CCF can actually provide the same experience to AI professionals because the same question which cloud professionals were asked years ago, now AI professionals are also facing the same questions. Can you prove your skills? And certificate like CCF can better answer this question with a confidently yes. So think of it like a license, driving license. Like anybody can claim that I know how to drive. But before handing your car for a long trip, you may really want to check the valid driving license. CCA-F work exactly in the same way. It proved that you have the skills and experience to build AI applications using Claude platform. That is why I was interested to learn more about this certificate, and I learned and find out the information. And now I'm sharing the same information with you without any hype, just the practical information. Now, this is the part you should pay close attention to because this is where many people prepare the wrong way. The CCA-F exam has 60 multiple choice questions. You will get about 120 minutes to complete it, and it's a completely proctored exam, which means you will be monitored throughout the exam. This exam have mainly 5 areas to cover. The very first one is agentic architecture and orchestration. This is the biggest section of the total exam. It tests whether you can design an AI system where Claude can plan the task, use different tools, or complete the multi-step workflow on its own. Second is Claude code configuration and workflow. This section is about using Claude code in real software development and setting it up for your projects. Third is prompt engineering and structured output. Here you learn how to write prompts that gives consistent and reliable result, not just one good answer by any chance. Fourth is tool design and MCP integration. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. You can think of it like a USB-C port for the AI, which means you can really use MCP to connect many different tools, API, databases, and other systems, exactly like USB-C port can connect to many different devices. And the final one is context management and reliability. This is about making sure Claude remember the right information during long conversation and continue giving accurate response without losing the context. If you prepare for these 5 areas very well, you already covering most of the exam expectations and what exactly will be tested. A quick pause here. If you are finding this video useful, please hit the like button. It really means a lot for this channel. Also, let me know in the comment if you are planning for the certification or just exploring right now. I read all the comments and your feedback may lead to another topic for my next video. Also, share this with someone who really preparing for this certification right now. Now, let us continue. I will be honest with you, this certificate is not for everyone because this is only meant for the architects who are designing AI applications or AI consultants who are implementing Claude platform for their clients, or maybe for some of the developers who have some real hands-on experience with Claude platform. Now, even Anthropic suggests to have minimum 6 months of working experience before taking this exam. So if you have not developed any AI application ever or working with any other AI platform, this certificate is not for you right now. So you can think of it like, if you want to become a doctor, you will take the NEET exam, but you will not prepare for NEET exam on the first day learning science. Same way, CCA-F is meant for the professionals who got experience and now they want to prove their skills. Okay, now let us talk about the most important question. How should you prepare for the CCA-F certification? And where can you find the official study material? The good news is that Anthropic provides free learning resources through Anthropic Academy, which is hosted on a platform called SkillJar. It includes 13 official courses and anyone can access them for free. You don't need to be part of a partner company to start learning. For CCA-F exam, I recommend focusing on these 3 certification or the courses first. First is building application with Claude API. Second is introduction to model context protocol. And third is Claude code developer training. Though these are cover most of the area of the exam, but I would highly suggest to go through with all the 13 official courses and then take notes in your own words. And then the most important part is build a small project using Claude. It could be simple AI agent, an MCP integration, or maybe a simple small automation project, because this exam is not about remembering the definition. It is about showing that you know how to design and build real AI solution. If you talk about the exam, at this moment, CCA-F certification is available through the Claude Partner Network. And joining the partner network is free. Even a freelancer or independent consultant can apply if they are building solution using Claude. Anthropic also announced that the first 5,000 partner members can take the exam for free, completely free. And after that exam will be about $99 per attempt. Now let us make it really simple with some do's and don'ts. Here are the 5 things you should do before taking the CCA-F exam. First, build at least one project using the Claude API. Even a small project is enough. Hands-on experience is much more valuable than just reading some notes. Second is complete all 13 free courses available on Anthropic Academy. Even the beginner course will help you build a strong foundation. Third is spend time learning MCP. It's an important topic in the exam and a very valuable skill for AI application developer. Fourth is join the Claude partner network as early as you can. It's free to join and give you access to some useful resources. The fifth is prepare for this like any other professional certification. Set a proper study time and don't leave anything until the last minute. Now here are the 5 things you should avoid. Don't think that using Claude every day is enough to pass this exam. This exam tests how you design AI solution, not just how you write the prompts. Second is don't waste your money on unofficial exam dumps or guaranteed pass courses. They are often outdated and not worth it. Third, don't skip learning Claude code. It is an important part of the exam and many people underestimate it. Fourth is don't wait for someone to launch a paid course. Anthropic already providing official training for free. And finally, don't list this as just another AI certification on your resume. Be specific. It shows that you have the skill to design and build AI solution using Claude, and recruiters appreciate this difference. Remember what I said earlier? This certificate actually reminds me my earlier Azure certification. So here's the biggest reveal. I haven't sat for CCA-F yet, but I am planning and preparing for this certification right now. And my target is to clear this certified and get my badge within this quarter. I will bring my raw, unfiltered learning and mistakes from this certificate on this channel. So you do not may want to miss that video. Please subscribe AI Catalyst and turn on the notification. Also, if this video genuinely helped you to understand more about CCA-F, please like and share this video, and also comment what is your biggest learning or takeaway from this video. You may also want to share this with someone who is still confused between prompt engineering and AI architecture. My name is Shaurav Upadhyay. This is AI Catalyst. See you in the next one, or you may want to watch my earlier video AI 103 versus CCA-F. I will see you there.